When I was thinking to make videos and upload them on YouTube, at that time I was a bit nervous. It's just because I wasn't confident at all. Because since my school days, I had no stage courage, and still I dare to make videos and uploading them on YouTube. It is just because of you. You are supporting me. You are making me able to make such a videos. So thank you for that and keep on supporting me. So it wasn't our today's topic. So our today's topic is what was my routine when I was improving this language. So without making delay, let's get into the video. After graduation, I had to do nothing. I was thinking to opt in CET B.Ed. So for that entrance examination, I needed not to study hard, and that's why I had enough time to give to my spoken English. So I was quite happy because I had my all time to give to my spoken English. So I always started my day with full of positivity. Let's see how was my routine. So as I have told that every day I got up at 4, each and every day. Today even I get up at 4 a.m. without missing single day. So it is my habit. So it is in my routine. Every day I get up at 4. So at that time when I was improving this language, I got up at 4 a.m. After getting up, as I have told that I uttered affirmations. So first thing which we do after getting up, that is we rub our eyes always. So while rubbing that eyes, I uttered those affirmation whatever I have told. So in one of my videos. So after doing that for 7 times, I washed my face and did meditate for at least 15 or 20 minutes. After meditation, I did give at least 2 hours to my spoken English. I have told that LSRW. I did give half an hour to each of this topic LSRW. First thing which I did, I listened to videos, English videos, one video only. Those videos were Sumita Roy ma'am's videos, and I did listen her videos each and every day. So first thing which I did, I listened to videos, and second thing which I did, I read one passage again and again for half an hour. After doing that, I wrote down same passage in my notebook. Whatever I read, I wrote down same passage in my notebook, one page each day. So after doing that, I tried to speak in English language. Of course, it wasn't easy for me to speak in this language, but still I tried to speak in this language to myself. And as I have told that, I pretended that I was reading a book, but I didn't read. I tried to speak to myself in English language. Yes, I wasn't able to speak a single sentence even, but tried to speak. And I had I started speaking from words, 3 4 words I tried to speak to myself. I didn't speak at that time the way I am speaking right now. So, but still I tried to speak in this language. After doing my spoken English study, I had to do some chores like sweep yard, sprinkle water. So first thing which I did, I swept front yard and back yard. After that, I sprinkled water into our yard. And while doing all these things, I had to do other things even like sweeping, mopping, so many things. So till 8, I did everything. And after doing that, I did some dishes even. And after 8, I helped my mother in cooking. We started preparing our lunch. So after cooking even, I had to do laundry and other things. So till 12 we did all the chores, household chores, and after that at noon I got enough time, so I did study my spoken English. So in the afternoon I did only two things. I did watch videos, English videos, and I tried to speak in English language. I did give it at least 1.5 hours. So after that I did take a nap for about half an hour or sometimes for an hour. After taking a nap, I tried to think in English language. Whatever I saw around me, I tried to get to know that's meaning in English language and try to learn their sentences even, and try to think that how can tried to think that how can I make a sentence using that word. So that's how I started thinking in English language even. So after 5 6 we started preparations for dinner. So after finishing dinner 9 p.m. I did give at least 1 hour to my spoken English. As I have told that I did write diary, so I did write 1 page each day in English language. I have told that, and 1 page I did write by my left hand. Yes, I'm not left handy, I'm right handy. But when I was completing my graduation, there was one of our professors who had told us to improve our brain power. We must write by our that hand which we do not use regularly. So as I am right handy, so I did write 1 page each and every day by my left hand. So I did write nothing but English as I was improving my spoken English. So I did write only English content. So it had also become my habit to write by my left hand, and I continued writing by my left hand for at least 3 years. Yes, I rarely use my left hand, but yes, I am able to write by my both hands. So after doing this, I went to bed by 10. Today even I go to bed by 10. But after doing those things which I have told, that I went to my bed, and in my bed before falling asleep I did revise all those things which I learned that day. Each and everything, sentences, words, whatever I did learn, I tried to revise, remember all those things without looking at my notebook. I did revise all those things, and that's how it made me able to remember my vocabulary. So before falling asleep, there was one thought in my mind, that was English. So my dreams were like, once I was attending one of my friends wedding, there I was speaking to them English language. So because I was making that kind of atmosphere, English environment around me, that's why my dreams were also like that. And I feel because of all these things, today I am able to speak this language. So it was my routine. Every day I did follow that routine, and now you can see the result. Within a year, I improved my spoken English at home without joining any class, institutions, without spending a single rupee. So what I'm saying, that if you go with discipline, you can achieve anything. And you just need to do few things, that adopt some habits, small habits which can help you to achieve your goals in your life. So as I have told some habits in videos, so you must watch those videos. If you like my videos, do not forget to subscribe my channel. And if you want me to make videos on particular topics, then please tell me. I would love to make videos on that topic. So thank you very much for watching my videos.